This house was designed to hide itself. From the street, it gives very little away. The white exterior is simple, closed off, and private. But once you step inside, the spaces begin to reveal themselves little by little. First, a passageway, then a courtyard. An opening reveals part of another floor. Farther in, the garden and pool come into view. In Caja Blanca House, you never see everything at once. The home is located in Ramat Hasharon in Israel's Gush Dan region. It has about 3,230 square feet spread across 3 floors on a relatively small lot. Instead of treating each level as a separate part of the house, the design creates connections between rooms above, below, and beside one another. Openings cut through walls, floors, and ceilings, letting you catch glimpses of other spaces before you actually reach them. From one room, you can see part of the upper floor. From another, maybe just a tree, a strip of sky, or a small piece of the garden. These partial views connect the house without putting every space completely on display. The home is built around thick, white walls. There are no huge glass facades opening everything up all at once. Instead, carefully placed openings control the daylight, airflow, and what can be seen from each part of the house. The connection between indoors and outdoors also unfolds gradually. Instead of one clear line between the house and the garden, there are enclosed rooms, shaded passageways, courtyards, and spaces open to the sky. Some openings reveal an entire room. Others show only someone walking by or daylight coming in from another direction. Privacy comes from the depth of the walls, the changes in level, and the exact position of each opening. Because the lot is too small for one large garden surrounding the home, the landscaping is broken into smaller pieces. One garden sits beside the living room. Another fills the space between walls. Small courtyards bring plants, daylight, and fresh air to different parts of all 3 floors. This layout draws on ideas found in old Arab village homes, where walls, courtyards, and shade help deal with the Mediterranean climate. Caja Blanca House does not copy those buildings, but it uses similar ideas to control the sun, create protected outdoor areas, and keep air moving through the home. Its east and south-facing orientation helps bring natural light into the rooms. Openings in the roof carry daylight deeper into the floor plan and allow warm air to rise and escape through the highest parts of the house. Dark slate flooring continues through both indoor and outdoor areas. It stands out against the white walls and helps the spaces feel connected. Wood and metal are used mainly in the window frames, doors, and smaller details. The house uses only a few materials, so most of the changes are felt as you move through it. The ceiling heights shift. The direction of the light changes. The garden moves closer or farther away, and every opening gives you a different view. Caja Blanca House is not one large open room, and it is not 3 completely separate floors. It is arranged as a sequence, with each space revealing one part of the house and preparing you for what comes next. From the street, the home stays hidden. Once inside, it appears in pieces: a passageway, a courtyard, another floor, the garden, and the pool. You never see the entire house at once. You only begin to understand it as you walk through.